Hi everybody, Barry Sexton, Chartered Certified Accountant, here again today to talk to you about inheritance tax and perhaps give you some tips on that. Obviously talking about tax all the time can get a bit monotonous. I was going to tell a few jokes, but it's probably not wise, and I don't want to overexcite people anyway. So here we go on the inheritance tax front. The inheritance tax is probably the biggest tax that we will have to face, and it's after we die. So it's important to structure your estate in the best way possible to limit that. People with substantial assets can look at a number of options, but none of them are really attractive. If you want to gift assets to your beneficiaries of your estate now, there's a capital gains tax up front on that mostly. You can transfer it into a trust, and often there's a reduced tax amount on that, but the taxation of trusts is not particularly attractive in my view. Largely because taking money out of the trust can mean PAYE liabilities and other complications. But even so, there are attractive options perhaps with that for some people. Just one little tip that I would like to talk about for people who've got rental properties, probably is the best one I can think of, or who it would perhaps be most attractive, and that is the use of a limited liability partnership. It's possible to structure that in such a way and pay zero tax on it, zero tax on the transfer of the rental properties to the next generation. You have to be careful with that. There has to be a genuine commercial reason for the transfer of the properties to the LLP, and that shouldn't be too difficult to achieve. And as I say, with some careful planning in that area, it is possible to transfer assets tax-free. Anyhow, I hope I haven't excited you too much with that. My telephone number is 07903 647 357. Thanks again for listening.